Google NotebookLM, your new AI-powered research and note-taking partner, now available to SDSU students, faculty, and staff. Upload your readings, notes, or project files, and NotebookLM becomes an expert in your materials, helping you summarize, study, and discover new insights. NotebookLM can be accessed in your favorite internet browser. Visit notebooklm.google.com and sign in with your SDSU ID. When using NotebookLM through SDSU's Google Workspace for Education, your documents, prompts, and notes are private and not reviewed by humans or used to train Google's AI models. Even with these protections, remember to avoid entering sensitive or confidential information. Visit the SDSU Generative AI Do's and Don'ts for more guidance. Once signed in, you'll land in your workspace, ready to create notebooks, add class readings, research papers, or project files, and NotebookLM will help you ask questions, summarize key points, and build study guides or outlines based on what you've uploaded. You can even generate quick quizzes, organize summaries, and watch or listen to video and audio overviews of your material.
Right here is why we need a new playbook.
With Google NotebookLM, you can turn your materials into a personalized study companion. Log in today to get started.